Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 195 when you're installing AMD driver of your GPU. AMD software installer cannot continue because it is unable to access the required web resources. It's often happen if you're cut off your internet connection during installation using the AMD Auto Detect. So, in order to fix this, or the solution to fix this error 195, you can manually download the driver without using AMD Auto Detect. So this is the first solution. So you can click on here. You can try search manually your graphic card, for example Radeon ARX, a Radeon RX 700 series. Submit. Here you can download manually the driver here. Adrenaline Edition revision number 24.7.1. This is the latest a driver that AMD launched here. So you can download manually here. You can install manually without the auto detect here. And after that, the next solution that you can try, check your antivirus software and definition are up to date, then return the AMD software installer. You may also consider disabling your antivirus software temporarily until the installation of the AMD software package is complete. So you can turn off the Windows security here. Here you can try to turn off your antivirus. I'm using Malwarebytes. Try to deactivate Malwarebytes or anything antivirus that you use in your Windows. And also you can adjust your firewall by allow an app through firewall here. So allow the AMD to, or allow AMD to communicate through Windows Defender firewall here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.